Okay, 24361, question 3. Now, thing you need to pick up on is that this hole is 200 by 200 square. It's not a round hole, it's a square hole. So it's 200 by 200 square, and it's 600 deep. Okay? So what you need to do is you need to calculate the concrete in the hole before the post goes in. So because this is not a round hole, all we're doing is timesing the numbers. So you go 2.2, don't forget your decimal point because it's only millimeters, 0.2 times 0.2 times 0.6 equals. Now, your post is also square, and it's 100 by 100. Now, the other thing you got to be mindful of is, and I've talked about this in a different video, that at the bottom of the post, there's a gap between the bottom of the post and the bottom of the hole, right? That is 100 mils, and we call that a punch pad. The reason it's called a punch pad is if there's any weight that comes on that post, right, it doesn't punch into the ground at the bottom of the hole. So that acts like a load bearing or weight bearing. Okay, so now we know the diameter of our post is 100 by 100. That post is only going into the hole 500 because we have that 100 millimeters at the bottom. Now, to calculate that, we simply do the same calculation we're going to use to calculate the hole. So the post is 1.100 times 0.100 times 0.5, which is the depth into the hole. You write that down. Now, to get the total volume of concrete that you need for that hole, we're going to take the post away from the hole, right? Hole, take away the post, whatever that equals, you times that by how many posts you have in this scenario, and that's your total amount of concrete. Let's go through that again. Right, hole. The hole is 200 by 200 by 600. You calculate that this way, 0.2 times 0.2 times 0.600. You write that down. Our post is 100 by 100, and it's going to go into the hole 500 because of that 100 mil punch pad. So your calculation is 0.100 times 0.100 times 0.500, and you write that down. Next step is you take away the post from the hole. That leaves you with what's you left, and then you times that by how many posts you need, and that's your total amount of concrete.